These are 5 best AirTM earning websites. In this video, I'll be taking you through sites with AirTM withdrawal methods. That is, you'll be able to get paid with these 5 websites using AirTM. This is one of them. This is another of those websites. Look at how much money you can make. This is another one. Look at how much money you can make doing microtask jobs, working from home, and you'll be sure you can get paid directly to your bank account in Nigeria and worldwide. These are platforms that I've already cashed out from. Look at it. I've cashed out this amount from this website. Look at it, AirTM, and the amount I've cashed out. This is my AirTM account. You can see many transactions I've done on this platform. I've done some videos of my withdrawal on this platform, how I withdraw from AirTM to my Nigeria bank account, how I withdraw and convert gift card directly to my bank account in Nigeria. So what are these websites that will help you cash out via AirTM, working from home in your country? So let's do it. This is another best AirTM earning website. That is, you can work and get paid via AirTM on this platform. It is called Newboss. You are just a minute away from changing the way you make money online. At Newboss, on this platform, you get paid to take surveys, watching advertisements, taking quiz, playing games, testing apps, and so much more. You can see you'll be able to register for free. This is the major requirement. You need to have an account with Screen, AirTM, or Neteller. I've done video about how to create your account on both AirTM and Screen, and there are videos of how I cash out through both these payment platforms. This is the inside of Newboss. You can see you can take surveys, games, offers, and advertisements. All you need to do is to click any one of these that you are interested in. You can make minimum of $5 on this platform every day. The best way to make money on this platform is doing surveys. You can see different surveys that you can take to make money on this platform. All you need to do is to dedicate 20 hours in a week and you make your money easily and you get paid via AirTM. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video and start working. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you for doing that for me. This is SproutGig. This is my top favorite of the website to get paid via AirTM. You can see these are the amount I've withdrawn and cash out on this platform through AirTM. You'll be able to watch the video towards the end of this very one. You also see the link coming out from here. You can see different people from different countries. This is the amount they've earned, their country, and their names. You can see how much money people are making from this website every day. These are jobs that you can start with right now. All you need to do on this platform is to have multiple social media platforms like your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Instagram. Just by watching video, making comments, liking posts, you'll be making all this money. You can make minimum of $50 on this platform every week and you'll be good to go. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video and start earning via your AirTM account daily to your bank account in Nigeria and worldwide. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. This is Remotax. You can see NY doing online tasks from home. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to join here. This platform has over 240,000 taskers. They've paid out over $15 million to people working from over 90 countries, including Nigeria. On this platform, you go through the training, you complete the task, and you get paid. You can work from anywhere, anytime from your country. It is worldwide. This is the inside of Remotax. On this platform, you can do jobs like typing, transcriptions, and all jobs that relates to artificial intelligence and data collections. There are tiers on this platform. You move to higher tiers as you keep working. You start with standard tiers, and this is elite tiers, and their requirements and benefits. You have to take training, which is free. The training will take you through what you need to do and how to do the jobs on this platform. There are a lot of jobs. You can earn over $50 weekly. All you need to do is to dedicate 20 hours every week. You should be able to earn $50 with that. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, sign up, do the training, and you start working. Thank you. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. This is one of the best AirTM sites to get paid online. You can see this is the total amount I've withdrawn and cash out from this website. There are so many jobs on this website. Look at it. These are different offers that you can get on this platform. You can make over $10 daily working on this platform. You can take surveys, watching videos, playing games, installing apps. Look at all these jobs and all this money you can earn. You will see how I cash out through the video I've done. The link will come out here. All you need to do is to watch that video. You'll be able to cash out easily. To access any of the offers, you just click each of these offers and you'll be able to access the jobs. These are the amounts and the jobs for this offer, and they are straightforward and simple jobs to do online. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video and start making money and getting paid through your AirTM. Thank you. This is my list of the websites to get paid via AirTM. All about this website is doing capture online. They are the top capture microtask jobs online, and you can be assured you get paid directly to your bank account in Nigeria and worldwide via AirTM. These are their rates. All you need to do is to solve capture online. You can make between $1 to $10 every day if you can dedicate 20 hours every week on this platform. Look at this. If you want to increase your earnings with two capture, you have to install any of these bots on your phone or on your system. The captures that will pay you the most is this recapture, this very one. If you can solve as many of them as possible, you can be certain to increase your earnings. The truth is that the pay on this site is very small, but you can easily cash out easily via AirTM. Ensure you work on multiple of these platforms and be able to increase your earnings. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video and start working. Thank you. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. So you now know how to make money with 5 websites and cash out through AirTM. All you need to do is to use the links below the description of this video and start working. The next video will take you through 9 websites that can also help you get paid through AirTM, doing microtask jobs online from home in Nigeria and worldwide. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.